Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Laravel 12 starter kit with WorkOS AuthKit. So let's get started. So let me go here into the Laravel official website and go to the documentation. Okay, and then you can see starter kits. Okay, and then you can see WorkOS AuthKit for the authentication. So click on it and you can see that they already provide like social authentication with Google, Microsoft, GitHub and Apple, so you don't have to do anything, and also SSO. Okay, and with the email based magic authentication link as well. Okay, and passkey authentication. So that four types of authentication they provided, and you don't have to do anything, just set up. And you can see that here is the link they given, so you can create the account over here. Okay, and then you can go here you need to add client ID and API key in your env file. Okay, and then you can go here, and by default Laravel recommended to disable the email plus password authentication when you are using the WorkOS authentication key. Okay, and then they say like if I go here, and they also say like session timeout setting you need to do. So when we install, at that time we will keep in mind to set the timeout options over there and proper configure that. Okay, and by default if I go here, and here you can see work OS, they free giving up to 1 million monthly active users, so you can use that. So if I click on it and go to the work OS, okay, here you can see that there is the official website of WorkOS and you need to just register. So I already registered, so you can go here into the dashboard. Okay, so if you haven't account, then you need to just register and you will redirect over here like this way. Okay, and then let me go and create one user, like one project with Laravel 12, and we can set up the WorkOS AuthKit. Okay, so let me go here in my terminal, and I already installed Laravel command, Laravel new, and here I'm going to give project name. So I will say AuthKit. Then I will choose with the React for the starter kit. And then you can see that Laravel give two options for authentication: Laravel built-in authentication and Work OS. Okay, so for if you choose Work OS, then you need to create account in Work OS. That already I opened the website and created account over there. Choose that one, choose paste for the testing framework. Okay, and let's wait a moment to install all the composer dependencies. Yes, you can see that now it's asking for npm install and npm run builds. Yes, I want also to install the npm and also run build. So let's wait a moment to install the npm and build it. Okay, now everything done, and now let me go to the cd authkit. Okay, now I am here. Okay, and then let me go and open my editor, so php storm. Okay, and then I'm going to choose that project. So let's wait a moment. Yeah, and let me open, and if I go refresh, okay, here is like authkit. Okay, and trust this project, and yeah, open it. It's loading all the folders, and go to the env. Okay, and now let me go here. You can see that Laravel asking for WorkOS client ID and API key. So let me go here, and yeah, you can see that it's already given over here. Okay, so what I need to do, how can I get the ID and key? So go here, and you can see that there is in dashboard there is a given API keys, so you need to click on it, and this is the client ID. So copy this and paste it over here, and same thing, you need to copy this secret. Okay, and then you need to just copy this. Okay, and add it over here. Okay, okay, so I also set up the secret key, okay, in my env. Okay, now let me run the application. So let me go here, php artisan. Okay, and then let me go here in localhost 8000. Okay, and then click on login. Okay, and you can see that invalid redirect URL, so that means you need to set up the redirect URL. Okay, so what we have a redirect URL, so let me go here into my OS. Okay, and then if I click on redirect auth URL, okay, and then let me go here, and here already authenticated URL, so that means we already have a authenticated URL. Yeah, so I can take from the env, so I already have a setup authenticated URL. Copy this. Okay, and then let me go here and paste it over here and simply add it. Okay, and close it. Okay, and now let me go here. Now let me refresh it. So if I go refresh, and let me remove first, yeah, let me go to the localhost 8000 and go to the login. And yeah, now you can see that you have a like login with Google, login with, you can see that Windows, GitHub, and you can see that Apple. So let me do with the login with Google. If I click on it, okay, you can see that it will ask you about giving the access, the permission of any Gmail. Okay, and click on it. Yeah, let's wait a moment. You can see that now I am logged in with the account. Okay, you can see that login with my name, my email. Okay, and if I click on it, okay, go to the setting, and everything is working fine with Laravel AuthKit. Okay, so let me go here, and also if I go and log out, and if I say logout, then you can see that something is wrong. So that means logout URL, once user will log out, then also where it should redirect, so that also we need to set up it. So let me go here and go to the authentication, and here if I go scroll down, there is a setup user management, we need to set up it. So I will keep it as it is, keep it as it is, continue, and I will say continue, continue, and yeah, it's activated. Okay, and now let me go here, and you can see that here we need to add your home page URL. So if I click on it, okay, here I am going to use cancel, copy this, sorry, copy this and edit the home URL. So I will keep our home page. Okay, and save it. Okay, so that means once log out, then it should be redirected to the home page. Okay, so let me go here and let me log in. Okay, and go to the login with Google. Okay, and yeah, so you can see that, and now let me go and click on logout. You can see that after logout it's redirect to the home page, so it's also working. And let me go here and some updates that we need to do. So let me go here, and if I go here, Google, Laravel already given the instruction, like we recommended that you can disable the email plus password authentication. So let me go here into the documentation, and you can see that this is already given the option, we can make it disable because Laravel 12 is suggestion, that one. And then you can see here they already given another suggestion, that's authkit session timeout. So let me go here, and by default if I go to the env, you can see here session lifetime will be 120 minutes. Okay, so let me go here, and if I go to the down session, if I click on configuration, you can see that inactivity timeout, so we will keep it 120, and then I will select the minutes. Okay, and save it. So that means it is will comfortable with our Laravel 12 application. Okay, so now let me go here, yeah, and click on login. Everything is working fine or not. Click on login with Google, and it will not asking double time. You can see that now it is working fine with login with Google. Okay, so same thing, and let me go to the code viewer. Okay, and if I go to the routes and go to the web, you can see that they already added middleware for validate session with WorkOS. So everything will be depend on WorkOS validate, like middleware and libraries. So I hope guys you understand how easily we can using starter kit we can set up the WorkOS authenticate kit. Okay, and it will helps a lot. So if you like, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching guys.